Hello students, today we will see lesson number 4, basic geometrical ideas. Okay, how this the term geometry derived from? The term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. According to the historians, the geometrical ideas shaped up into ancient times probably due to the need of art, architecture and measurement, like the examples construction of magnificent palaces, temples, lakes, dams and cities. Art and architecture propped up the idea of geometry. Today in this chapter we are going to learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about the shapes around you. Okay, I begin with the first point, that is the points itself. What do you mean by a point? It's very easy. Point refers to a simple dot. It determines a location. They are denoted or showed by a single capital letter, like any of the alphabets you can use from A to Z. Symbolically, it is denoted as dot A or dot C, and it can be read as point A, point C. Okay, now I come on to the next topic, that is a line segment. What do you mean by a line segment? A line segment has two endpoints and it can be measured. It can be symbolically written as I had shown in my notes. It can be, the alphabets can be interchanged in a line segment. It can be written either XY, line segment XY, or line segment YX. Now coming on to the third point, that is a line. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. That is, it is endless. Symbolically, it is denoted or it is read as line DE or line ED. Two arrows on each side indicates that a line is endless and cannot be measured. Children, here it is not compulsory that line is written with two capital letters. It can also be written in small letters, but when you are using capital letters, you have to show two different letters on two edges of the line. But when you are using a single small letter, it will be used only one, as you can see in the notes where I had drawn a line.